So when purchasing your hairpiece, you kind of want to know lace front or full lace. What does that mean? All right, so right here, I want to show you what a lace front is. Again, I do 5-inch part back so that you get that really deep part from here all the way to the top of your head. This is a 5-inch lace frontal. But then when you flip it on the inside, you see the wefted back. Now these are typically a little less expensive, all right? And these are just as effective. You can still create those parts in the front. You can still part it here on the side. You can still do top knots and ponytails. Everything works the exact same way. Really, for me, I would just say that it was a little less expensive than a full lace front wig. Unless you want to part it all over the place, you want to put side part, up part, you want to put a ponytail up in the back, you want to pull everything up, then you go for the full lace front wig. Some people want to do a full-on 2 ponytails from the front all the way to the back. And this is the perfect remedy for that. All right, again, I put combs in here just to give you that little bit of extra security. You have your combs here, you still have your full lace front, and when you flip it on the inside, it's hand tied all the way through. So for those first time wig wearers, this is what a full lace front wig looks like on the inside. And again, I've did my own customized hairline along the nape. I put that extra little bit of elasticity here just so you get that little bit of tightness right along the nape, because sometimes they get loose over time. And that's the difference between a full lace and a lace frontal wefted back.